Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well out there. Shout out and big thank you to those of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Without you, I couldn't do this on a daily basis. So if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. And guys, it is the 28th of January. Big things are coming this year, all right? So let's get straight into it. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. The YouTube algorithm is absolute magic. So give it a good old thumbs up down there. It doesn't cost you anything. Touch it, kiss it, massage it. Let's get it. Little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. You need to be careful with this stuff. You can lose money like that, especially in cryptos as well. So please be careful. Do your own research. Don't take what I say as financial advice in these videos. Be very careful. Me, my golden rules, only invest what I can afford to lose, all right? Let's get straight into it. Straight in the community tab today, guys. And I've put up this post because it's true. If Ripple goes public, this is going to be a game changer. It will be the Tesla and SpaceX of the finance world, in which it will be. I'll be adding this incredible company to my portfolio if they list their IPO. Straight out. If it comes out, I'm going to do everything that I can to buy this company because it is going to be a game changer. Legit. Straight up. 86% of you had said yes, so that's awesome. The other 8%, I'm not sure what you're thinking, but everyone's entitled to do what they want. Anyway, let's get straight into CoinSpot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, ladies and gentlemen. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that if you wish. Do your own research. You can get $10 in Bitcoin to get you started. Let's get straight into it. This is in Australian dollars, and I'll get into everything else in US dollars as well. So I'm catering for everybody. 53,000 for Bitcoin today. It hasn't dropped below that, which is really nice. It's pretty much going freaking sideways at the moment, so it's really annoying, but there's a lot happening out there in the crypto space and investing world. So Ethereum sitting 3,500, guys. Insane price predictions from Cathie. I'm going to get into that in a second. BNB is sitting at 570. Cardano is $1.52. Great buying opportunities. XRP is at 88 cents. Now that is incredibly cheap. Solana's 129. Luna 77, Doge at 20 cents, Polkadot $26, AVAX $93, Shiba Inu's up slightly, guys. Polkadot $2.30. Going to be definitely buying more Polkadot. Crows at 58 cents, up 1.3% today. Cosmos Atom $43, Link $21, Near Protocol $15, Algo $1.36. FTT 55, FTM $2.99. I am staking that on CoinSpot. XLM bullish on this with their new smart contracts coming out this year, so it's going to be huge for XLM. 28 cents. Mana's up 4% to $3.26. Hedera 30 cents. Very bullish on Hedera. Hashgraph, NFTs, incredible technology there, guys, and big partners with big corporations. So keep that in mind as well. Awesome value right now. VeChain is at 7 cents. Incredible buying opportunity. Sandbox $4.91. The metaverse stuff is going to be big. Apple, I saw a video on TikTok last night. Apple is literally coming out with all this new technology to do with the metaverse and virtual reality, and a new headset apparently as well, which is going to be 8K. So it's going to be absolutely ridiculous. Probably going to cost you about $10,000 for a set of these, a VR headset. So we'll see what happens there. But I found that video last night, so going to be interesting to see what happens here, guys. The metaverse, virtual reality is going to be very big. So these metaverse projects and Web3 are going to be huge. Keep that in mind. Theta, $4.22 right now. Axie Infinity is $68, a great buying opportunity. BTT is down as well. Oh, sorry, still incredible value. Wow. Harmony One, 25 cents here. The Graph, I am invested in that, 58 cents. Some other stuff here, guys. Engine, $2.28. Gaelic Games, 27 cents. Going to be big this year. Neo, $26. Curved Dow, $4. Quant is 133. Yes, I will do a video on Quant, on my thoughts and opinions on the project itself. It's incredible. Banking coin, guys. Anything to do with banking this year is going to be mega. Rose, 45 cents. And obviously my other favorite here is XDC at 9 cents. Incredible project. Very undervalued right now as well. So 9 cents. Let's get into the news because there is a lot happening here. Crypto bubbles today. I'm going to refresh it. Everything is still in the red apart from Bora. I don't know if it's my phone, but again, everything's in the red, so I'm not really worried about that. But guys, there's still incredible buying opportunities. That's what everyone has to realize. We're very early in this space. Now, this is what I wanted to talk about today because this is a boss move by Ripple. I'm going to read you this article here. Ripple makes a contrarian move in the face of crypto meltdown. Now, for those of you who don't know what this word means, I'm going to look it up. Let's have a look here. A person who opposes or rejects popular opinion, especially in stock exchange dealing. There you go. Pretty straightforward, guys. It's a really boss move here. Instead of hoarding cash, the company is buying back shares. Now, I wonder why they're doing that. Let's have a quick read. So it was another wild day on the markets for Brad Garlinghouse is shrugging off volatility and even making very counterintuitive move at the time when most investors are urging startups to hoard cash. Now, they're doing the complete opposite here. Read on for more of what Ripple CEO is thinking. Protocol FinTech is all about connecting you to interesting people on Wednesdays, blah, blah, blah. We don't need your money. Straight out. Ripple has become the most visible target for the US government's efforts to regulate crypto when the SEC sued the company in late 2020. But its besieged crypto payments powerhouse did some muscle flexing this week, guys. Muscle flexing. So I'm sending a strong message to the crypto world. The SEC suit hasn't slowed Ripple down. Yes. Ripple's move to buy back shares from $200 million Series C round funding in 2019 was an unusual and even surprising. After all, there's growing fears another market slump, which would push startups to buckle down for a rougher ride. Business is good despite these crazy headwinds. CEO Brad Garlinghouse told Protocol, Ripple has been growing rapidly over the past 2 years when a lot has changed in the crypto world, and I agree. The SEC suit hurt, causing the price of XRP to fall and leading to a loss of some business guys. Garlinghouse said, and there are more regulatory hurdles ahead likely to affect the entire industry. But Ripple has been growing rapidly, expanding into NFT market and forming central bank partnerships with monetary authorities in countries like Palau, Bhutan, and Garlinghouse said, Ripple has been bulking up financially. As a result, the company has a strong balance sheet, guys, and more than $1 billion in cash. Garlinghouse said stock buybacks can be tricky, particularly for startups. Private companies building up huge cash positions isn't surprising in this environment. Clara University law professor Stephen Diamond said, it's not clear that Ripple's decision to buy shares is the best way to deploy cash. He said some investors might wonder why they aren't using the cash to expand their business. Startups are all about growth. Buying back shares may benefit the selling shareholders, but there's an opportunity cost. Redpoint Ventures investors Tomus Tongas argued in 2019. That said, there are reasons why the startup might buy back shares, typically to clean up the cap table in preparation for the future financing event. Balance that against that reality that Ripple is now facing crypto market that suddenly seems wobbly. Garlinghouse doesn't seem worried, calling the slump a part of the journey, not dissimilar to what we've already experienced, guys. So check this out here, guys. Is the buyback a step toward going public? Such speculation is an astute observation. Garlinghouse said, I think ultimately the future for Ripple is that we will be a public company. But there are other things that they are focused on, including putting the SEC lawsuit behind them. Anyway, so basically it's saying here that they are very bullish, and Brad Garlinghouse seems to think that they are very positive about this case, that they are going to win. And I agree, this is what's happening right now. This is probably the reason why they're buying back their shares, because they think that they are going to win this case, and I agree with them. I think they've got the upper hand in this case, and the SEC knows this, and they're just delaying the inevitable. That's an incredible outcome as well, guys. And other news right now, obviously, sorry, back to this. So since Ripple isn't a public traded company, the only way to acquire shares in the firm is via private investors on the secondary market, which is really annoying. To buy and trade Ripple stock, you will need to qualify as a sophisticated investor, and obviously not retail, which is really annoying. Consequently, you must be an accredited investor to buy shares of Ripple Inc. So that would be really good as well. We'll see what happens there. In other news, now, Cathie Woods, this is insanity, and nothing is in the realm of impossible in my world. Anything is possible. Can't discredit this. This is insane. This can happen. I don't care what anyone says. This can happen. Cathie Woods, ARK Invest, expects Ether to soar to over 7,000% and hit a $20 trillion market cap in 2030. Now, this is insane. At that target, Ether would be priced at around 170 to 180,000 US dollars per coin. ARK Invest is also predicting the price of a single Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030. This woman knows what she's talking about. She invests in a lot of disruptive companies on the planet. I'll show you ARK Invest's portfolio, what they're actually holding. This is insane. This woman knows what she's doing. She bought literally the majority shares of Tesla. She knows what she's doing. She's not stupid. It's unbelievable, guys. Now, I've just put this up here on Coins Perspective to show you what the market cap would be. Now, if I go here, the price target of Ethereum, 150,000, would have a $17.9 trillion market cap there for 150,000 Ethereum. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. I think it's insanity, but guys, anything is possible, and I would love to see this. The market cap for total crypto would just be insane. It would be incredible. There's not even enough money on the planet to get, the total market cap that would have to be to get to this point. But guys, this is what she's saying. If you go to ARK Invest portfolio here, guys, all of 152 combined ARK Invest ETF holdings, they own Tesla, Coinbase, Zoom. We've got some other ones here. Roku, you've got Square, Twilio, Spotify Technology, Shopify, DraftKings, Twitter, Trimble Navigation, Robinhood. They own shares in Robinhood. Can you believe it? PagerDuty, guys. Let's have a look here. Some other big names that I'm familiar with. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. There you go. They own shares in that. Keep scrolling down here, guys. They're incredible. John Deere. Just incredible companies, man. 3D printing, Caterpillar, Disney, Circle. Let's have a look here. Some other big ones. Keep scrolling down here. Pfizer. Everyone knows that one, don't we? Quantum, SomaLogic here, Etsy. Big companies and corporations, guys. 150 companies they own. So she knows what she's doing, and she literally got in very early with Tesla. So she knows what to expect from disruptive technologies, guys. ARK Invest. Unbelievable, guys. And some other stuff here, guys. Why is crypto down much? Uncertainty, traditional markets, Fed concerns, experts say. There's a lot happening here, guys, in terms of the Fed and regulation. I've got some tweets on my Twitter page in relation to the Biden administration, who is wanting to impose some serious crypto regulations and a task force, believe it or not. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. I don't understand why the United States and just in general, like the government regulators over there, are stifling the innovation here, which is cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. They shouldn't be doing that. Unbelievable, guys. It's really annoying to see that they are doing this. Let's go to my Twitter page right now. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. For those of you who want to follow me, check me out. Let's have a look here. XRP. This is in relation to the case. The SEC has filed a letter of supplemental authority in further support of its motion to strike the fair notice defense. They are just going after this one fair notice defense, guys. It's ridiculous. Ripple has filed its response to the SEC's letter of supplemental authority, going back and forth here like kids in a playground. XRP community, for those who haven't seen this already, the White House wants crypto rules as a matter of national security. This is concerning, obviously, for United States citizens here, guys. This is on Barron's. It's on my Twitter page. Go and have a look at this, guys. But the Biden administration is preparing to release an executive action that will task federal agencies with regulating digital assets such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a matter of national security. A person familiar with the White House plan tells Barron's the National Security Memorandum, expected to come in the next few weeks, will task parts of the government with analyzing digital assets and assembling a regulatory framework that covers crypto, stablecoins, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. Same thing anyway, this person said. So there's a lot of stuff happening over there. They're trying to stop us from building this disruptive financial world that retail investors have created, pretty much, and incredible people that are involved with blockchain technology. This is incredible. The governments are trying to stop this because they know it's going to be big, and it is not going anywhere. I don't care what anyone says. It's not going anywhere. Thank you for this tweet here. You do not need to be on the head of the SEC to understand that what Rishi Sunak is talking about, all the money running through XRP Ledger, this is in relation to the new emissions-free world that everyone's going for, guys, by 2030. Go and have a watch of this video. It's got some tunes in there. I'll probably get banned on YouTube, so just go watch it on my Twitter page. This is for a tweet from Jeremy Hogan. The SEC is not winning these cases at the motion strike stage where the Ripple case is at, but later in litigation as motion summary judgment here, guys. So the FND depends on the specific facts of each case and will decide at summary judgment and not at the MST, guys, the IMO. Who knows what's going to happen with this case, guys. Again, it's just getting delayed and delayed and delayed, but I'm not taking that as any means by not investing in XRP. I'm very bullish on XRP, and I will be continuing to dollar cost average into XRP because I think it's incredibly undervalued, and I think they will win this case. ARK Invest, led by Cathie Woods, has predicted Ethereum will hit a $20 trillion market cap and BTC will be worth $1.3 million by 2030. The bullish outlook obviously is based on current growth trends and use cases. Guys, this is very possible. Call me crazy and insane, but anything is possible and this can happen. Again, this is the tweet here. Ether's market cap could exceed $20 trillion in the next 10 years, guys. This is incredible. This is on ARK Invest's website as well. According to our research, Ethereum could displace many traditional financial services. Yes. And its native token, Ether, could compete as the global money. As financial services move to on-chain, decentralized networks are likely to take the share of existing financial intermediaries. It's about time because they're old and obsolete. The beneficiaries and this shift include Ethereum and the base protocol and DeFi, the decentralized applications built on top of Ethereum. As the preferred collateral in DeFi and the unit account of the NFT marketplaces, Ethereum has the potential to capture a portion of the $123 trillion in global M2. Crazy. Look at that. Global financial services, Ethereum there, global M2, $122 trillion. That is insane. Even John Deaton saying, do you understand? If you're in this crypto space right now, even given the fact that there's so much FUD out there, you will do well for yourself. I believe that. If you are scared and you're selling out, you're running away from this crypto world, that's where you're going to lose out on this stuff. Because if you're still here, you're doing very well for yourself. Keep scrolling down here. Ripple and its on-demand liquidity exchanges help shift 203 million XRP. Thank you, W. Casio, for this. This is my tweet again. This is an interview from Ripple. Says it will go public after winning its case with the SEC. Let's have a quick listen to this.
Right now, relatively unchanged at around 62 cents. But the value of Ripple nearly doubling in the last 24 hours after the company announced a Series C buyback from shareholders. Ripple's latest valuation, $15 billion, a major milestone for the company that currently is tied up in a pretty contentious battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. To Charlie Gasparino with more on what this could mean for the case and for Ripple.
Yeah, and Liz, we do have some breaking news from the company is telling Fox Business exclusively that if they do win this case, and they say part of the reason why they're buying back the shares, the private shares, is because they feel very confident they're going to win the case, is that they plan on going public right after the verdict comes in. So they're telling us this exclusively. They believe their chances are very good. Obviously, it's they may be talking their own book here, but clearly there's a lot of tongues wagging about why they would just turn around and issue XRP, which is kind of their native currency. They say it's not related to Ripple, but the Ripple founders created the XRP, the cryptocurrency. They're selling that, and they're selling that to both pay their legal bills and presumably to buy back these shares. And it caught the market by surprise yesterday. We were probably the only major outlet that reported this. We were first to report it yesterday, and it values the company, they say, at $15 billion, which is a good thing. But people are looking at this a lot of different ways. They're saying, oh, maybe they're buying it back to limit their liability to outside investors if they should lose the case. When we asked Ripple, they're like, no, we feel very confident. We believe we're buying it back because we're confident in our position. And guess what? As soon as we win, we're going public. Ripple does have an all-star team of lawyers, everybody from Mary Jo White to Professor Grunfest. They got major firms, Devil Voice, Plimpton, you name it. They're there. They're on Ripple's side to fight the SEC case, which essentially says
That is insane, ladies and gentlemen. Just putting that out there. If they're doing this, it's exactly what Charles Gasparino has said. They're bullish on this case, and as soon as they win this case, they're going public. This is going to be huge. Honestly, watch this space here, guys. Are you worried about crypto winter? And non-smart money is still pouring hundreds of millions of dollars into crypto and blockchain businesses. They don't seem to care about the 4-year cycles reported by CT Business Editor. Again, I think we're going to be seeing a lot, shorter cycles here, and the fact that there's a lot of massive institutional interest in crypto, we may see very short cycles here, like probably non-existent as well, coming into this year and moving forward. Brad Garlinghouse predicts that Ripple will go public. Yes, I've just shared that. Some other stuff here, guys. Elon Musk, Tesla did not sell any Bitcoin in the fourth quarter. The company is holding Bitcoin worth $1.2 billion. That is insanity. Hedera, smart contract service enables you to build decentralized applications and protocols at scale. Solidity smart contract. In this article, you'll learn how we write greater Setter Solidity smart contract and deploy on the Hedera network. This is very bullish as well. Some other stuff here, Blockworks. President Putin supports the government's proposal to allow regulated Bitcoin and crypto mining. So this is very positive news as well coming out there from Blockworks. I mean, it's going to be affecting the hash rate. Obviously, it's going to go up because they're going to allow mining. So it's awesome. Coinbase needs to release the XRP. What is Near Protocol's plan for building the internet of the future, and why Ethereum may not play a prominent role in building Web3. This is interesting, guys, because I think Ethereum is going to have a major, part in Web3 and obviously the future, especially if Cathie Wood's now saying it's going to be worth a $20 trillion market cap. But again, they just need to address these gas fees because it's insanity. Anyway, let's go into CoinMarketCap because I want to get out of this quickly. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Total market cap today is 1.6 trillion, down in the red today. $81 billion of trading volume. BTC is still up. 17% Ethereum. 17,000 cryptocurrencies. It's growing every day. Top gainers today are Theta Fuel, Sandbox, Anchor, FTX, Bora. They're the gainers today. Now, if I go to my watch list and my portfolio, I'm going to quickly scroll through this. Bitcoin, 36,000 USD. Cardano, $1 USD. XRP, 60 cents. Come on. It's incredibly cheap. Dogecoin, 14 cents. Matic, $1.57. Shiba Inu, Near Protocols, $10. Stellar is 19 cents. Mana, $2. Hedera's 20 cents. VeChain's at 5 cents. Come on, that's so cheap. Sandbox, Theta, BCT, The Graph, Gala, Neo, Economy, Amp, Oasis, Theta Fuel, XDC's at 6 cents. Very bullish. Hollow, Anchor, Seacoin, Talcoin. Got itchy nose. Ravane, Nervos Network, Digibyte, MetaHero, Winlink, XYO, Superfarm, UFO Gaming, Reserve Rights, Constellation DAG, Reef, VThor, Electronium, Proton, Veracity, Kin, Acropolis, Gas, Ubix Network, Olympus DAO. I think it could be a rug pull. I've probably lost my money there, so it's really annoying. I know Time Wonderland has been rug pulled big time. People have lost a lot of money. I feel sorry for you, and I feel sorry for myself. I've been rug pulled on so many projects. Safe Moon, Bonfire, NFT Art Finance, Elongate, all these rubbish projects when I was just ridiculously stupid at that time. Olympus DAO now is down to $63 from like $1,000 US. Just insane. These projects, be careful with this APY stuff. If it sounds too good to be true in crypto, it usually is. Avoid it at all costs. This is what happens. People get rug pulled, they get all their money stolen from underneath them. This is the horrible thing about cryptocurrencies, and people should be ashamed of themselves if they rug pull. Anyway, that's pretty much it for my video today, guys. Do you think Ether can hit 150,000? Do you obviously think it's bullish move by Ripple buying back their shares and being very confident that they can win this case? All right, let's talk about it in the comments. Stay safe, everyone. Happy Friday. Peace, bye.